So far you have seen how to create GitHub repository, and also you have seen how to download and set up the Jenkins. Now let's see how to create the Jenkins job and run the Playwright test. So before we go ahead and create the Jenkins job, so let me give you a background about the test cases which we are going to run it from the Jenkins. So we are using the same GitHub repository which we have created during the Playwright with TypeScript full course. If you go to the tests folder, we are going to run the total 3 test cases. 2 from the chapter 1, which are present inside the CodeGen test file. And if you look at here, so we have the 2 test cases. And for each test case, I have assigned the tag as Playwright with Jenkins. So these are the 2 test cases. First one will get pass and second one will get fail. So intentionally I'm failing the second test case. The third test case is which is present inside the chapter 6. If you go to the delete API request. So which is the end-to-end API testing flow. For this test also I have assigned the tag as Playwright with Jenkins. So we have the total 3 test cases. Out of them, 2 will pass and 1 will get fail. So let's make sure that we are able to run the only 3 test cases from the this particular source code. So let's try to run it in the local first. Then we will run it from the Jenkins job. So same code I'm having it in the local. By using the tag names, we can run the Playwright test. So here I will use the command called npx playwright followed by test hyphen hyphen grep. And here we have to specify the tag name. So let's get the tag name. So here I will copy the tag name and I will add it here. So that's it. So this is going to run the total 3 test cases, which is the expected. So by using the 3 workers, that means 3 test cases are running parallelly. So this is the API test output. Because we have the one test which will get fail, right? So if you see here guys, already report has opened. And here you can see the total test is 3 and passed is 2 and 1 is failed. So this is the expected test results. Now let's create a Jenkins job and run the Playwright test from the Jenkins. Here you can click on the new item and let's give the job name as Playwright with Jenkins demo. And you can select the freestyle project here and click on OK button. So let's specify the description. So here I'll say Playwright demo. So if you scroll down, so you will see the source code management. You need to select the Git here because we are checking out the code from the GitHub repository. So let's specify the GitHub repository URL here. So let's copy the URL and add it here. And then let's select the credentials which we have added it in the credentials. Then here you need to specify the branch name. So if you see this GitHub repository, so we have the main branch, correct? So if you are using other branches, you can specify the other branch name here. So in my case, only main is there. I'm passing the main here. That's it. Scroll down. Under environments, you need to select the first checkbox. So what it will do is, so this will clean up the existing code or a old code before starting the new build. Scroll down and here you need to add the two build steps, one for the Node.js and the second one is for the installing the dependency and running the Playwright test. So firstly, let's add the Node.js part. So simply you can add the execute Node.js script, and inside this you need to specify the Node.js. So this Node.js is coming from the tools. So this is where this particular Node.js we have configured in the tools. Same thing you can select here. So if you have added multiple versions of the Node.js, you can select the required or a relevant Node.js here. So in my case, I have added only one. So that's the reason I'm able to see the only one Node.js here. So that's all about adding the Node.js installation. Now add the another build step here. So here I will choose the third option, execute shell. So firstly, we have to install the npm by using the npm command. So here I'll say npm install. Then we have to install the Playwright browsers. Then we can run the Playwright test. So let's install the Playwright browsers by using npx playwright install command. Then, so here we can provide the command, same command which we have used to run the test from the local. So let's copy this command and add it here. So that's it guys. We are done with creating the Jenkins job now. Let's apply and save it. And click on build now. So here is a job started. So this is where exactly this Jenkins job will clone the GitHub repository. So we will go to this location a bit later. It started installing all the dependencies, and if you see here, it started running all the three tests by using the three workers. And also here you can see that some output is printing from the API response. So it will take some time because we are failing one test case intentionally. So there is a specified assertion timeout. So that's the reason it might take few more seconds to complete the execution. So out of three test cases, two will pass and one will get failed. So if you see here, one test is failing and two test cases are passing. So overall build status is failure. So this is the expected result. So let's navigate to the, so if you look at the test details also, so this particular test case is getting failed, which is the expected result again. Now let's navigate to the location where exactly it is cloning the GitHub repository. So if you see here guys, so it has cloned the source code from the GitHub to this particular folder. And if you see here, date modified, so it has cloned just now, right?